The first things first, we need to make our dough. So start off with this Aashirvad Chakki Atta, nice and high in fiber. So get the scale, 350. Now on top of this, make a well, basically 250 ml of water. I can guarantee you that this is going to be the perfect mix. What did I tell you? The perfect mix. Ta-da! That's done. We're gonna now break it down into our servings. We're gonna get ahead, and this is gonna give us one pizza bed, 2 pizzas. That's what I always do. If you want to make more, you can go for it. Otherwise, the extra you can always keep it in a nice tiffin and then store it in the fridge. You can work with that for about 3 to 4 days, which is good enough. The next step is to make the roti. If you want your dough to be really crispy, then you can go really thin, but I like it in between, little chewy and little crusty as well. So I'm gonna go with, say, this is about 2 mm to 3 mm thick, and this is just perfect. As you can see over here, it's not too thin, it's not too thick. To make the pizza, we're gonna use a skillet. Skillet is one of the best all-round cooking utensil. This, you can make curries, you can make roti, you can make omelette, you can make a lot of things in this. So how we're going to do is, you cook one side completely done and the other side should be semi-cooked. Okay, I'll explain to you why we do that. And the pan is already hot now, so I'm just gonna slap the atta on top of it. So it's starting to brown up. We just keep waiting. Now the thing about any sort of dough, when you're cooking it, the longer you expose it to the heat, it's gonna get crispier and crispier, and the faster and the higher temperature you cook at, it's gonna be softer. So this is done. So one side is properly crunchy. So one side is completely done. I'm gonna take this out. Oh shit, this is hot. You have 2 sides of roti, the burnt side, basically the very well done side, and the semi done side. Now what you want to do is, we're going to put all our topping and everything on the side which is already done well, which is this one. So we're going to leave the one which is semi done downside. It's very important that you get the sauce of your choice. You can actually make this, but like I said, it's something very quick. That is why I'm going to use a store-bought pizza topping. I'm just using this because this is fairly decent and this is what is available easily. I've tried out other pizza toppings as well, and there are much more better tasting pizza topping than this particular brand. But anyways, for the purpose of this video, let's go ahead. So let's check it out after 10 seconds. Voila, it's completely done, melted. Now if you want to, like I said, if you want to make it more crunchy, leave it there, reduce the heat a bit and leave it there for another 10 or 15 seconds. It's going to crunch up the base of the roti really nicely, and it's going to give you a really nice crunchy pizza. 15 seconds, we just open the lid. Voila, again it's completely melted, nice and runny. Come on. What you want. I'm just going to go 4 bites on this. As you can hear, it's very crunchy. Oh, nice. Oh my goodness, look at that.